Assalamu alaikum students, hope you will be fine and in good health. Dear students, in our previous lecture, we studied about MS Word and few of its features. Today, we will study few more features to make your document more appealing for you. Starting from page 52, we see inserting date and time. The main purpose is to insert date and time in a given or existing document. Whenever you are creating a document, it is important to date a document. Why? Because once you create a document and then if you open it after a few months or even a year, you get the information that when and at what time you created the document. To access this option, move your cursor to Insert tab and there you have text group. On same page 52, we see inserting page numbers. Here in this, we see two options, that is top and bottom. Now it's your choice whether you want to show page number at the top or at the bottom. What is the use of mentioning page numbers? It gives us the information that how many pages do we have in a particular document. And another convenience is that if you want to go to a particular page, you just write down page number and that page is in front of you. Now to access this option, move your cursor to Insert tab and in that tab we have Header and Footer group. Another thing that you see on the same page is Add On. The two date formats are given here. First one is British date format, in which you see that date is written before month, whereas in American date format you see that month is written before date. If you are using PC or a laptop, you might be knowing that we are using British date format. Now we move to our next topic, that is using word count feature. First, I will tell you the purpose of this feature. It allows us to count the number of words either of the entire document or from a selected portion in the document. This feature gives us the detailed information about the document, that it has how many pages, words, paragraphs and lines, etc. To access this feature, we will move our cursor to Review tab and in that tab we have Proofing group. Now we come to our next feature, that is using Find or Replace command. Both are available in Home tab in Editing group. Another method to access them is by using shortcut keys from the keyboard. For Find, we use Ctrl plus F and for Replace, we use Ctrl plus H. What's the use of these commands? Whenever we have to find some text or word, we use Find command, and Replace command is used to change the text or word with an already existing text or document. After that, we come to page 54. Here we see another feature, that is inserting symbols. Whenever we need to insert or type symbol, a number of characters or symbols are available on keyboard like plus, minus, multiply, divide, dollar, asterisk, etc. But there are a number of symbols, fractions, especially related to mathematics, that are not present on the keyboard. For that purpose, we need to access this feature. We have to move our cursor to Insert tab and then to Symbols group. From there, we can select a symbol or symbols and insert in our document. Now, for your understanding, I have given a demo of the things you have studied in the lecture. First, move to a document in MS Word and proceeding to first feature, that is inserting date and time. Move to Insert tab and then to Text group. Click date and time. Suppose we select second one having day and date both. Now press OK button and you see it is inserted in the document. Now moving to page number. Again in Insert tab you have Header and Footer group. This is your page number having number of options. For instance, top of the page and bottom of the page. Both options have few more sub options in front of them. As you can see, when we click on top of page, we see options as giving page number to right side, center or left side. So I am selecting page number on top at the left side. Now you can see page number on left side. The next feature that we studied was word count feature. First, move the cursor to review tab and then in proofing group. When you click on word count feature, it's giving information about the document. That is how many pages, words, paragraphs, lines you have used in the given document. After that, we will use find and replace command in home tab. There you can see editing group. Click on find and use a side box as navigation. Here, as soon as you type the word gets highlighted wherever it's present in the document. Now, when we click on replace command, we see a dialog box. And find what? Here we write coronavirus and then in replace with we write COVID-19. Now you can easily see that wherever corona was written, it's now replaced by COVID-19. This is a very important feature, as you can well imagine that if your document consists of hundreds of pages and you have to replace a particular word with a new word, it will be done in microseconds. Whereas if you do it without this option, it will take hours to read each and every line of the document and replace that particular word. It saves a lot of time. Now we move to the last feature of today's lecture, that was inserting symbols. Move to Insert tab and in the corner you see Symbols group. Just click on it and you see a number of symbols. If your desired symbol is present, you may click on it and that symbol will be inserted in the document. If it's not, click to More Symbols. Here you see a number of symbols. You can select any of your need, click on it and then it will be inserted. Suppose we click on this symbol and you can see that the symbol gets inserted in the document. This was all about today's lecture along with the practical work. I hope you all have understood. Try to practice at home. Thank you and have a nice day.